Our next quadruped progression here, we're gonna reach that leg back out long. This time we're gonna float the leg up off of the floor. So we're gonna connect our center, inhale first, exhale to reach out. Reaching again through that heel, pressing up through our arms and our grounded knee. Be thoughtful that we're not overlifting that leg and arching through our back. I want you to feel your glute on that straight leg reaching long and your core connected. You're gonna exhale to pull that knee back in, and then we'll do it again on the other side. So you inhale first, exhale, reach. Nothing should move. You wanna make sure that your torso also doesn't shift side to side as you reach that leg away, and then draw that knee back into where you started. For your regular bridge, you're gonna start with your heels hip distance apart, and they're gonna be comfortably close to your hips. If your feet are too far away, they're gonna activate more of our hamstrings. We want our heels to be closer so they activate our glutes as well. You're gonna inhale at the bottom, exhale, press the hips up, being thoughtful that your rib cage is not arching in the process, so you're connecting that rib cage, keeping your tailbone long so you have a line from your knees to your hips to your shoulder, and then you'll slowly lower back down with control. For your frog bridge, you're gonna start with your knees out on a 45-degree angle. Your feet are going to be in a V with your heels together. You're gonna inhale at the bottom, exhale to press your pelvis up, being thoughtful that your rib cage stays connected to your pelvis, that you're not overextending and arching throughout. Drawing that together, holding at the top for a moment, and then breathe as you lower back down. Goblet squat, holding your weight here at your chest, coming from a bench or a chair. You're gonna inhale here, exhale, shift and hinge your weight forward. Exhale, drive up tall to standing, making sure at the top that you're not overextending your hips forward. They're staying right underneath your rib cage over your heels. Inhale here at the top, exhale, hip hinge, sit your booty back to reach for that chair controlled descent to accept your seat. Air squat against gravity, working on hip hinge mechanics. You can take a dowel or a broomstick, place it across your waist. Take your hands, palms facing back behind you to connect your lats and help your rib cage square over your pelvis. You're gonna inhale here as you sit back. Imagining that you have a chair behind you that you're sitting back into. Your torso is leaning forward at about a 45-degree angle so that you can access your glutes primarily, not just your quads. You're gonna exhale to drive back up tall to standing. Again, being thoughtful that as you do that, your pelvis is not pressing forward past your heels. Keep it back over your heels so you can maintain neutral at the top.